Hi, it's Philo. It's been 4 months since my last JournalSay unboxing, and I've used their stationery on literally every page of my reading journal since then. They're probably my favorite pages I've done, so I wanted to update my collection for fall and winter. As always, they gave me $100 budget to pick whatever I'd like, and that got me the hugest box ever, full of stationery. Quick reminder before we open it together, for every item you see here, there are many variants on their website. They also have flash sales, new items every Saturday, and free shipping over $29. I leave all the links below, so if something catches your eye, you can use my code PHILO. It's an affiliate code, which means that by using this code, you support this channel while getting your discount. So thank you to JournalSay and to you for your support. And now, let's see what we got. Starting with accessories, I picked a canvas pencil bag in a nice sage green, and if you don't like green, they have it in other pastel colors. The zippers are very smooth and there are a lot of pockets. I'm checking that I can fit my longest brush pens in the pockets. It really has a big capacity. You can fit a bunch of creative supplies in here. The text on the tag is a bit cryptic, but personally I don't care, it's discreet. Next, I needed transparent glue tape with dots, and this one is refillable, so I get a refill. They're fun to use, it's strong, but you can also reposition your papers, and if you accidentally put glue on your page, you can rub it out with your fingers. I don't know what it is with dots, but the glue always comes out regularly, it's easier to reposition, and the glue is never stringy. So now I can't live without dotted glue, apparently. Then I got a PET washi tape with a coffee theme. It has transparent release paper, but see this sticky tape, you can reposition it when you cut the washi tape to keep the roll in place and store it easily. This tape is not pre-cut, so you'll have to cut it yourself, but the illustrations are beautiful and there's a nice combination of big and smaller ones. The text is about coffee, it's in English, but it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It's small though, with a nice handwriting, so personally I will still use it as decoration. If you want to see more washi tapes from JournalSay, I have a few of them in my other unboxing videos. This time I only ordered this one. Next we have mirror frames. That's a refill or a collection? I already have 2 of these, mostly white, and since my new reading journal has white pages, I needed this touch of beige gold to contrast with the pages. They do have more colors though. It's 5 designs twice, but it's missing 1 frame. And that's the first time it's happened to me, but I wanted to show you because I guess it can happen. On to stickers now, and there's a bunch of them. Starting with these fashion PET stickers with 20 unique designs, big and small. There's isolated furniture, stationery, but also big ones with shelves full of books. With beige tones, super cozy. They're really nice for a diary, a bullet journal, or a planner. I really appreciate the preview that you have of all the stickers at the back of the folder, because I don't want to have to go through all my stickers to choose one. I'll keep the preview, but I need a better storage for them, because they're very slippery. I don't want them to escape. Next, I picked 3 sticker books. Of course, I picked sticker books, you see them in all my reading journal videos. Inside you have 20 pages with all pre-cut stickers with beautiful designs. There's a nice combination of medium and big stickers on a general theme, and some are matte PET stickers, those will look seamless and bright on white paper. Others have washi paper and others a white paper, so nice for all type of journaling. This time I chose one with a more classic rococo theme, this one with a few pages for each season, and a third one around books or light academia. In each you have frames, tags, washi stripes, and then many cute designs. They also have a really big collection of sticker books on the website, and I am discreetly collecting them one by one. More stickers, and this series is called Grimoire or Spellbook. Each one has a color and element, so for example this one is all orange tones with fire. So you have foxes, cauldrons, candles, phoenix, and a few witches maybe. They look like they just came out of a fantasy book. And here you have 20 designs twice. The folder is also nice, and I'll keep the preview on the back. I also got the white one, more wintry, with ice and stones. Everything here looks frozen, and you have a few characters with owls and unicorns, cauldrons and candles again, spellbooks, brooms, witchy hats, and so on. Again, there's more variety on their website. I remember there was at least one around water. Then I needed mushroom stickers for mushroom season. This one has 15 designs twice and a variety of mushrooms in yellow and orange tones and a few bottles. I also got a brown version with slightly different designs. Keep in mind that the bottles have a white outline, so you'll see them better on a colored background. And here I did a few combinations to give you an idea. Next we have more mushrooms, and these are on the bigger side. They look super magical with gold foil and butterflies and twirly little details. When I picked these, I had a book in mind, one that I read this summer, and I think these would be really fitting to illustrate it. More stickers. This one is a smaller sticker book with pre-cut PET stickers with all things fall related. Landscapes, shops, pumpkins, pies, fireplace, warm clothes, dry leaves, bookshelves. Super cozy. And there's a whole series with a sticker book for each season. Another item I picked thinking about a particular book I had just read, and here you have birdhouses with flowers and nests. I think birds are like butterflies. You can put them anywhere. They make anything look lighter and romantic and cute. If it's too blue for you, there are 5 other variants with different colors, birds, and birdhouses. On to decorative papers. Talking about birds, I'm stocking up on birds and cages apparently. Here you have 10 pages with 3 copies each, and I love the designs. They're very colorful. In the travel note series, I got 2, one around books with 30 loose pages in 10 different designs. This one is nice for books about books, like The Starless Sea, The Shadow of the Wind, or The Reading List, and general literary fiction or classics. The second one I picked is around navigation, with old maps, sailing boats, wheels, compass. I think I know exactly what reading spread this is made for. By the way, I forgot to say that, but all these papers are thin, so it doesn't make your journal too chunky. Back to spellbooks, and these papers are giving old leather book covers with eerie details. In this series, they also have magic portals, spider webs, and whimsical trees. Halloween is coming, and maybe I hear witchy book recommendations all the time. Anyway, I wanted to add a few magic potions on my pages. or shelves full of them, with endless ingredient lists. Who knows what's in there? Oh, and skulls, of course. These I picked thinking more about fantasy books, especially this first one with butterflies, feathers, dragonflies, and of course birds. This one is more for fairy tales and winter in general, with forests and castles and nature with a whimsical twist. Sometimes I simply want to add texture and interest to my pages, so I was looking for something versatile, and I saw this paper with a marble effect. I picked the green and the pink ones, and I really prefer the pages that have those gold details, even if it's not really foiled, but it looks like it's shiny. And I'm not really convinced with the pages that don't have this. By the way, all these papers are 10 by 14 centimeters, so smaller than an A5, but I ripped them to cover the edges of my spreads. On to albums, and these here are one of the best surprises of this haul. When I ordered them, I hadn't realized that they include a bit of everything: PET stickers, white paper stickers, and light paper, so it's like a kit for a whole theme. And I picked one with a fairy tale forest theme and another one with an underwater theme. Apart from the designs that are really nice, I love that it's all bound together in a book and you have an overview at the back. Back to only papers with these kind of old papers with roses and lace. These can also add a bit of texture and interest to your backgrounds, and they're pretty versatile, so I think that would fit as a background for pretty much anything, maybe especially classics. And I got them in beige and blue, but you can also find them in purple and light green. Another great surprise of this haul, because I love all the designs and backgrounds in this book, but it's printed on both sides and it's a thicker paper, so keep that in mind if you don't like your journal to get too bulky. And the last one is a constellation theme on black paper with slightly bigger pages, and they're really nice, but the black paper is a bit more muted than I expected, except for the last page that's kind of a cardboard. And that's it, we've opened everything. I leave all the links below, and if you're looking for different colors or themes, check out their website and remember that you have free shipping over $29 US. So again, a huge thank you to JournalSay for feeding my love for stationery, and to you for using my affiliate discount code PHILO. Let me know in the comments which items you like the most in this haul, or leave me this emoji. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more bullet journal and reading journal content. I'll see you soon in the next one, and until then, enjoy planning!